Hey guys, Brian here, and today we're going to be playing Driver again, and the levels are actually pretty easy, but I might need a new PS1 disc next episode, so I'll see you guys later, and
What's up,
goodbye.
everybody? It's your boy Brian here, and we're back with our favorite game of the year, favorite game of all time, Driver. You are the wheelman. The year is 2020. So much shit has gone down, and this game still exists, and I still haven't beaten it. So yeah, whatever. Let's start with the game and get this over with. Where do I go? Get a new job, save game, back to title screen, take a drive, options. Man, have I missed this game?
You have 3 new messages.
It's me. I got some trouble with business. Associate of mine just crossed a line. You're the guy who's gonna make him haul his ass back the other side. See, we got a cab waiting for you. And you pick up this guy and give him a ride that helps clear his thinking. Make him understand our point of...
Fuck, I accidentally...
It's me. Give him a ride that helps clear his thinking. Make him understand our point of view.
Alright, I like this type of mission. We're doing some mafia type shit. This is gonna be the most dangerous man of all. That's me. It's me. So it's like a classic, alright, let me take you for a ride and like make you be very scared. And this looks to be like an easy mission, dude. See, it's very easy. I'm gonna take this is like playing the Simpsons.
Oh my God! What do you want? Tell me what you want! Oh my God! What do you want? What do you want?
Finally, I got a front mission.
All right, I understand. What the? Tell me what you want!
What I want, well, I want you to understand and listen to my life story. So basically, man, a lot of things have happened this year. And I still don't have my driver's license, and I'm like driving you around, buddy.
Alright, I understand.
You understand? I don't think you understand the gravity of the situation you're in, buddy. I don't think you understand.
Alright, I understand.
That's it? Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for today. Uh-huh. Is this the Krusty Krab?
Listen, Cozy's just a few blocks away from your place. You gotta get him quick, before the cops do. Get him to the chopper. If you ain't there, the chopper's going without him.
Get him to the chopper. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get him to the chopper. Oh yeah, Cozy to the chopper. But yeah, so 2020, COVID happened. I have 36 seconds. What? Come on, dude, 36 seconds. But yeah, COVID happened. I'm transferring to the university next year. That's fun. By the way, I finished Richland. That was a good school. Sadly, my dog passed away on snowy, so that was sad. But otherwise, it's a year of change. It's 2020, and I'm alive. And I'm grateful for what's happened so far. But anyway, now that I got my yearly life update out of the way. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? This game is, ya va a empezar este juego, you know what I mean? We're already starting, we were off to a good start, but now we're already at a pretty bad mid-game. I feel like we already have cars coming out of nowhere, we have the missions not responding, even though I was clearly there. We have the cops already on my hip. I love the cops, dude. I love the cops. Yeah, I guess the cops were a big issue this year as well, weren't they? Yeah. Okay, so when I'm perfectly there normal, you don't want to get into the okay. Get into the chopper at 2 minutes and 22 seconds, let's go. So it's funny, I think this takes place in San Francisco, and you know what else takes place in San Francisco? I just made a video about it, the Nut Shack. So the Nut Shack takes place in San Fran, so, already know there's gonna be like part 2. There's gonna be a part 2 of some of this. It's gonna be like, oh, now drive back across the border to Mexico, and like, not only that, destroy the narcos, and destroy their network of drugs, and give Josie another ride. Like, he needs to buy his groceries. Seems fun. I like the helicopter though. I don't know what a helicopter is doing like in the street. I expected him to ask me to drive to the airport. But hey, all in a good day's work, don't you think? Nice. We're speeding through today, like, and without any cheat codes. Not that I used cheat codes last episode, but... So yeah, I got a new GoPro too, and in fact, this game is the only reason I bought a GoPro, so I could record my screen better. Damn, boy, how many jobs are you taking today? Yes.
Mr. Tanner, I got your little friend Mojo here. Say hello to Mr. Tanner.
They bluffing, Tanner. They bluffing, man.
No, he ain't bluffing. More to the point, no. Chester ain't bluffing, and he's the one with the meaner gun. We want 10,000 greenbacks, or you ain't never gonna hear what Mojo made such a stink about finding out for you. Now, we don't care what it is. We just want the 10,000. We know you got that kind of money. Matter of fact, we were thinking of using you ourselves. But first, we're gonna have ourselves a little game. Get yourself to the call box in the Embarcadero and pick up your instructions. One last thing. Better hurry, because it's gonna ring any second. And if Chester gets tired of waiting...
Look at that trip. Or maybe it's the car, actually. Maybe it's just the car that's more controllable, too. More handling, better handling. Hold on. We're going places today, buddy. Alright, did I save Mojo? Or does he want me to, like, pat my head and rub my tummy at the same time? And... okay.
No. Oh, no. This ain't no Sunday school.
I could hear my PS3, like, about to explode trying to read this 25-year-old disc. I'm gonna try to skip this cutscene or else we'll never... It'll be, like, August 8th by the time this cutscene finishes at this rate. I'll fill in the story gaps with, what do you call it? Inferencing later. I think one more level, judging by past. I'm gonna get somewhere. Timer's going down. Mojo. Better get to Mojo. No! The cops did give me a free pass. Nice. So they want me to go to their telephone pole and like call them or something, I guess. Or else Mojo gets the axe. I think that's the term. He gets mafia'd. I'm sorry, he gets crime city'd. One more level, let's go. Or I guess one more driving, so... Alright. We haven't failed yet, and hopefully if I die or get Waco'd, I don't have to restart from the very beginning. Come on, dude, there was a red light. There's a red light for me. Nice. Nice, and the cops are after me once again. Aggressive than I normally do. Oh, nice. You know, at this point, I blockades. Oh no, I lied. I tired of waiting. Man. Give me a break. I'm a hacker, not a slacker. Alright, so the good thing is that the game's gonna restart me from the beginning, which means I can play this game all day long. Nice. Do I even want to make them? I'm not gonna waste time. Let's restart this level. I mean, no. Okay. Let's restart that stage. Gee, I almost gave myself a heart attack there. Nice. Sorry, I didn't realize there was videos against the law to be so badass. Fucking render resistance, dude. Nice. Forgot that I start off in this very unfortunate position. There is that card though, which I barely missed, dude. I wasn't even paying attention. Making good time. I'm getting nervous. There's a cop. Goodbye. And then the fucking blockade materialized out of thin air. Buddy, move! Quítate! Sir, my friend's about to die and I'm not gonna let y'all get in my way. I respect law enforcement. Alright, well I'm back because of I cleaned the disc and turns out it still works, but unfortunately I had to turn off cheat codes because I mean you guys already saw that I could do it, like legitimately, and I wasn't gonna risk me doing all that effort again just so I could potentially not get to the next level. Alright guys, well I'm back. So apparently the PS1 disc was just dirty or scratched or something, but the point is I got it fixed by taking out the disc and cleaning it. But as you can tell, there's no more damage bar because yes, I did use the cheat code to get back to this part of the level. I used invincibility cheat code again. Because, I mean, you guys saw that I did it without the cheat code. So, I mean, the only reason I'm doing it is so I don't get bogged down for another 5 hours. And I already beat this part, it was just that the screen froze. And I think the cutscenes play well now, so hopefully we're actually going to be able to understand what's going on. What I've been getting so far is that I need to answer any phone call. I mean, using context clues, I've inferenced that I have to answer every phone call or else they're going to go military. So, yeah. And they also wanted $10,000, so I don't know how I'm going to get that by answering. There we go. Barely clear. Wow. So let's see the final cutscene, I think. Should be. Oh no.
The $10,000, Tanner.
So
Hand him over, Chester.
One day, you and me gonna dance.
Strike up the tune, baby.
Talk.
Those punks, Stan and Chester, just a couple of lowlights who got lucky and tagged me for a meal ticket, man. Figured I knew something you was gonna increase some bills for. You know what I'm saying? I guess I was their ace, and they played me, man. The French cat in Castaldi met some suit up in the Painted Ladies. The suit goes by the name of Hancock, Don Hancock. That smooth operator running for office on the East Coast. That self-same cat who serves the backwater of sleeves. You know what I'm saying, my man? You know something else? There's some cat called Slater. He don't like you, man. He don't like you at all. If your brakes ain't working too good, he's the cat who knows why. You know what I'm saying? He ain't finished with you yet. So, be cool, man.
Wow. So my boy Mojo was almost killed, and so that's Mojo. So Mojo is the guy assaulted. Huh. I think that's the end of the trio of levels. Is it? You know, it's a damn shame I didn't get... Yeah, that's it. Well, I mean, it was a scary episode this year because I almost thought I wasn't going to be able to show the whole game, but I did. I mean, I beat the level legitimately, and I just had to get back there by cleaning the PS2 and using a cheat code, but wow. That was some story today. And, you know, it's good that we got to see more of what's going on. We see the world unfolding. So, yeah. It's almost sad to not play this game for a whole nother year. Alright. Oh yeah, by the way, I got Metal Gear. I played Metal Gear Solid and have a lot of save states. So I could replay the bosses. But alright, guys. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Have a good day, good night, wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.